Jai Hind. I'm Major General Anurag Vij, Additional Director General NCC Northeastern Region. There is a camp we are taking on in Jowai. This camp is known as Leadership Come Adventure Camp. The aim of this camp is firstly to give cadets of Meghalaya an opportunity to do adventure, where we will be doing trekking, scuba diving, sailing, off-roading, caving, as well as other adventure activities. Secondly, they will also be doing team building and leadership exercises, where they will be taught how to be leader, take a trek, things like that. The aim is firstly to give exposure to these kids of adventure in Meghalaya. As you know, Meghalaya has lots of opportunity for tourism as well as adventure. Initially, we are only getting kids from Meghalaya for this camp. Subsequent camps we will get from all 7 sisters, so the kids can see Meghalaya, and subsequently we will do these camps for children from all over India, NCC children all over India. How will it help? It will give a exposure to all the kids from all over the country to see Meghalaya, and also in a way promote tourism in Meghalaya, and also bring national unity in our country, where people will come and see this beautiful part of our beautiful country known as India. This is a first course of its kind which we are doing. Subsequently, we will learn from this course and we will do more of these. This will also help in the economic growth of that area, as so many cadets will come. They will stay there. They will promote it through their own videos, tourism in Meghalaya. So I think it is a very good step in this. 100 cadets are participating. They are almost 50% boys and 50% girls. Subsequently, we will be doing 6 to 8 camps of this kind, where, like I told you previously, we will have from Meghalaya, we will have from Northeastern region, and also all over India. The limitation of 100 is because of the place where they can stay. Otherwise, we can give more cadets also. See, as you see, these children will be staying together. When they will be staying together, they will be doing various activities. So each activity, we will have some children leading that activity. We will have some tasks for them in that activity. We will also have challenges for them to plan an activity, things like that. So this will help a child overcome his inhibitions and take on this leadership aspect. And also we will be making them talk about their states when the other cadets come in. They will also be talking about how this can be done better. So this is how we are. Yes, this will definitely help in the society, because subsequently, firstly, these children, when they go, they will get a feel of adventure and things. They can also take it on as a profession later on. Also, it will give them exposure to various aspects, like they are also going to do fishing, they are also going to see flora and fauna. So they can also subsequently take on this in their respective areas where they are. This camp will also help students wean away from drugs, because once they will do these adventure activities, they meet with other children, meet with children of other states or rest of the country, they will know what is the ills of this. And we'll also be having classes and lectures from various people on various ills of having this drug abuse. This will keep the youth occupied. As you know, youth is very, very attracted towards adventure activity. So this is why we are taking start. Basically, the aim of the course is to give them, through adventure, leadership, go closer to nature, see our Meghalaya, see our country. So as kids will stay together, see each other, I'm very sure they will go away from drugs. This is for about 10 days.
When will we start?
It is starting tomorrow, and the first course is starting tomorrow. We have tied up with the local people here. They are helping us conduct this camp, and as and when this becomes successful, we will have more people involved in conducting these camps, and we, as of now, we are doing it in Joy, but we will do it in Tura and all others. The first aim is to give exposure to our own state about Garo, Khasi, Jantia. They should all see each other. Then we see these 7 sisters. Then they see the country. So that is how we will develop this. It is West Jantia.
West Indians. And the exact place, sir?
It is near Jowai.
Yeah.
It is near Jowai.
Near July.
Yeah.